Right, this is Novotel Shop I channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium. Orlando Pirates 3, Polokwane City North. Puri, how are you?
Yeah, no, I'm very well.
Good man. Now, how do you feel about the game today?
Very nice game. Played very well. I think we played better in the second half with Kimbridu coming in and doing all what we wanted at the end of the day.
Yeah. So do you think it was a game of two halves, or maybe you just didn't do well in the first half?
No, I think we did very well during the first half, but we just did not create a lot of chances.
Yeah.
And the Polokwane City was defending very well. We just had to do things better in a different way on the second half, which we caught them. I think brilliantly. I mean, the Pirates played very well in the second half.
Yeah. Van Rooyen, what do you think about his play? 2 games now, I think he's impressed so far.
I think that position is gone to that guy.
Yeah.
I mean, I think the likes of whoever competing in that position, it's good as gone.
Yeah.
You understand? So this boy fitting very well. I mean,
I think it's Goodman Musele.
It's a long season. I mean, we're playing Champions League.
Exactly.
I mean, we obviously need some players when the chips are down, and we want to make sure that when there's injuries will creep in as well. We just want to make sure that we've got, soldiers whenever we need them. You understand? So we're playing, we're competing. The Nedbank Cup is coming. The Black Label Cup is coming. I mean, by the way, MTN8 is gone, so
it's gone.
I'm not counting it. And the Champions League as well.
Coming,
so obviously you're gonna need your soldiers.
Yes.
Correct. Yeah. I mean, we need all our players. I mean, this time we have to. I mean, the big one is the league. We want to compete against Sundowns, and I think we want to do well this season.
Yeah.
I think it's season number 3 for our coach, and I think he has to win the league this time.
Yeah. No, thank you very much. I mean, 2 games, 2 wins, 6 points. I mean, it's something to go home with.
I think there's more coming. There's more coming. I think the boys are prepared. The boys are keen, and they're doing very well. And I appreciate the support here. I mean, the supporters are actually supporting the team. They're buying tickets, and we need. I mean, our players need. Pirates need us as supporters. We want to make sure that we're there for them as well.
Thank you very much, my brother. All the best in future.
Thank you so much.
Cheers, man.